Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create Exness account on mobile phone. Exness is a top trading platform. It is a multi-asset brokerage offering product and services relating to trade. To create Exness account on mobile phone, first open your Exness application on your mobile phone. Then here you'll be taken to this page over here. Now here you can see two options. Tap on register. Now here you need to select your residence, tap on country/region and search for your country. You can also tap on search bar at the top right corner and enter your country name, then tap on your country. With that, tap on the given box so that you can declare and confirm that you are not a citizen or resident of US for tax purpose if you are not one. With that, tap on continue. Now here you need to enter your email address that you want to use to sign up to Exness. Then tap on continue. With that, now here you need to create a password. Make sure your password contains 5 to 15 characters, uppercase and lowercase letter and a combination of numbers and English letters and special characters. Then tap on continue. Now here you need to create a passcode so that you can easily access to your account quickly and securely. After setting your passcode, you need to re-enter your passcode again. With that, enter your home screen password of your mobile phone so that you can verify it is you and so that you'll be able to easily access to your account whenever you try to log into your account as well. With that, you'll be able to create your Exness account on your mobile phone. This is how we can create Exness account on mobile. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.